On your Android phone, you'll find tons of apps, but sometimes you might not want certain apps to run in full screen. If you'd like, you can disable that feature. Once you do, those apps won't appear in full screen anymore. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. First, open Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see an option called Display. Tap on it. After that, scroll down, and you'll find Full Screen Mode. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the apps on your smartphone. Just a heads up, I'm using a Poco phone. On Poco and Redmi phones, the settings are laid out like this. If you're confused, don't worry. Open Settings, and at the top, you'll see a Search Settings option. Tap on it, then search for Full Screen. You'll see the Full Screen Mode option pop up. Click on it, and from there, you can pick any app you want. For example, if I don't want a certain app in full screen, I'll select it. All you need to do is toggle it off. After that, the app won't run in full screen anymore. That's how you can easily disable full screen for any app. Hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one.